are currently heading to the MTR station. Oh, y'all can push it more. You can fit in there. Are you kidding me? Let's go, let's go, let's go. We have just made an executive decision to not go to Repulse Bay. It is way too hard to get there, and we've just left way too little time, so.
We've once again fucked up.
I got Stanley Street and Apple Street mixed up, so right now we're going to Apple Street. Just more or less the same thing, just street markets, Apple Street. We're just having a quick stop. Having a quick stop at McDonald's. I'm quite sick, so I didn't get anything fried. I got this. Oh, I did get something fried. But this thing is absolutely beautiful. It's just apple pie and ice cream, and it's less than $2 Australian. Change of plan. We are going to Hollywood Street in Central. Yes, we are going to Hollywood Street, which is like an antiques market, which is pretty cool. We have chopped and changed that schedule a lot today. But Nicole's having a good birthday, right? No? No?
Yeah.
Finally heading to Uncle Wilson's place. Nicole's birthday. Yeah. Hi, 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 hi. 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 We arrived and the tennis final's on, and we're all gonna watch it. So we are on the balcony, about to watch the fireworks for Chinese New Year. A beautiful view of Victoria Harbour. Absolutely beautiful. Holy shit! That's so incredible. Have you seen these smiley faces? Birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip! You blew them all out! Yeah! Home? Challenge, challenge, challenge. In! Challenge. Challenge for the win. Challenge for the win. Oh! Yeah! Yeah! Happy birthday, Nicole! Okay, so we're just on the bus, riding in Causeway Bay, going home.
Patrick?
Yeah, I get it. I remember. Just had to open the. I'm gonna end the vlog there.
Double decker normal bus or double
Can I end the vlog there?
Normal bus or sightseeing? Normal.
Say
Yes! Bye!
Yeah, no, there's no way. I'm gonna put. You wanna say bye?
Bye!
Nicole, happy birthday, bye.
Thank you. Happy birthday, bye. Hey guys, Nicole. I got it. The tortillas are burning. I got it. Who is it? Okay. Who is it?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hershey's cookies and cream swell cake.
Happy birthday, dear Nicole. Happy birthday to you.
Hedgehog edition. Hooray!
Oh, what? Hedgehog?
Edition, yes.
Okay, Nicole, blow out the candles.
That's not good too. They had no ice cream cake.
Did you get Panadol?
No. I thought you were getting Panadol. This. Thank you. I also have this.